Alright you guys, Mr. SFM here. In today's video I'm going to show you the symptoms of a bad carb on a Stihl 017. So number one, it's very hard to start. Now keep in mind I don't usually wear this type of attire to do chainsawing. I would never wear short sleeves or not have gloves, etc. So keep that in mind, this is just for the video. Also, the carb was already gone bad. I just sprayed brake cleaner in it for the purpose of the video to keep the chainsaw running. But yeah, it's already gone bad before the video. Now number two, if you do get it running, if at all, it will not stay running for a long time. And finally, when you start cutting into things, it automatically bogs down until it dies. Hope that helped, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos.